Hi, welcome everyone to the chapter 9 Developing New Products and Managing the Product Life Cycle. The first one is that new product development strategy. The second one is that the new product development process. And the number three that the product life cycle strategies. And the number four is about the additional product and service consideration. First, we will come to the new product development strategy. So a firm can obtain new products in two ways. The number one is through acquisition by buying a whole company, a patent or a license to produce someone else's product. And the second one is through the firm owns new product development efforts. New product development, the development of original products, the product improvements, the product modifications, and new brands to the firm's own product development efforts. So new products are important to both customers and marketers who serve them. And about number two is the new product development process. We will come to the ideal generation to identify customer problems. So use Michael call for you approach quality list problem like unworkable or unavoidable, urgent or undeserved. So look for technologies for solving uh, the identify problem and choose from among replicate, upgrade, and repurpose. So there are five concepts: development and testing. First, a quantify gain and pain ratio. The product competitor analyzes the endless, the must-have features, create value proposition chart, and perform concept testing. And about the market strategy and pricing, follow MC Cafe 4 B's of marketing approach, strategize around pricing, cost-based pricing model, or market-focused pricing. And about the product development, build a prototype, build MVP, minimum viable product, and test MVP, or iterate through changes. So make entry or commercialization, market concept. What's in it there for the customer? Have a brand voice, coverage, copywriting, product web banner, or post short demo videos.
So we will have 5 stages of the product life cycle. Product development begins when the company finds and develops a new product idea. During product development, sales are zero and the company's investment costs mount. Um, Introduction is a period of slow sales growth as the product is introduced in the market. Profits are non-existent in this state because of the heavy expenses of product introduction. The third one is growth is a period of rapid market acceptance and increasing profits. And the next one is maturity is a period slowdown in sales growth because of the product has achieved acceptance by most potential buyers. Profits level of decline because of increased marketing outlays to defend the product against competition. Um, finally, deadline is the period when sales fall off and profits drops. So this slide will discuss about the BLC concept and its application to styles, fashions, and fads. Here are the main ideas. Styles are fundamental and distinct modes of expression in various domains like homes, clothing, and art. Styles can endure for generation, transitioning in out of popularity, showcasing a cyclical pattern of renewed interest. Fashion represent currently accepted or popular style within a specific field. Fashion trends evolve relatively slowly, have a period of popularity, and then decline gradually over time. Phase are short-lived periods, highlighted sales due to consumer enthusiasm and immediate product or brand popularity. Phase can be a temporary peak within a larger product life cycle or may encompass the entire life cycle of a product or brand. So example of face include base rocks, poker chips, clear brains, fruities, and self sticks. Bad rocks are for instance, experiencing a massive surge in popularity and sales only to decline rapidly, emphasizing the ephemeral nature of face.
So let's move to the next part E product decision and social responsibility. The first we have to understand the product decisions, whether it means decision to be made about the products or service a company want to sell. The decisions are vital to creating to successful marketing mix to meet the company objective. And before we discuss the technical aspect of the product decisions, let we take as some of examples of the type of decisions marketer might make. And the first is the core benefits of products. For example, Facebook is the platform that keeps you in touch with your friends and family, while the core benefits stay more or less the same. Customer want and needs can change over the time, and thus the business must be prepared to adapt accordingly. And the second is the nature of the product and service. For example, the nature of Starbucks coffee is its ingredients, type of coffee and cup or size, and the main ingredient are the roast coffee beans, sugars, milk or cream. Type of coffee include pound roast, medium roast, and hot roast, as well as the cup size can be short, tall, or grand. So the nature of the products is what the constitute the products and should be developed according to the customer needs in one. And social responsibility marketing is an approach to marketing where you try to attract consumers who want to support a cause or make a positive change with their purchasing decisions. For example, Zoom consumer orange just looking at what you material you use, what impact your products have on the environment, and they are also looking at how you treat the people behind your brand to determine whether you really care. And notice, Yum is extremely dedicated to build a strong employer brand as it plays an important role in the social responsibility marketing. Let's move to the next part is internal products and service marketing. So the first, what does it mean the internal products? That's mean the products which are produced in the one countries, but also in the other countries under the same brand. And these products are the market internationally. For example, Apple is an American company which produce its products in the China, India, and import Apple products. For India's Apple products are the global products. On the other hand, they are the domestic products which are produced and sold in the same countries or regions. And service marketing is a form of marketing business that provide a service to their customer use to increase brand awareness and sales. Unlike products marketing, service marketing focus on advertising intangible transactions that provide the value to customer. For example, the company that provide wellness coaching may promote the benefit of adopting a healthier lifestyle, the promise that they can help their customer achieve their fitness goals, and the idea that incorporating an effective wellness routine is easier with their health or certified code.
Okay, next we'll move to what is the price. Price is the amount of money charged for a product or service, or the sum of the values that customers exchange for the benefits of having or using the product or service. So in here, price is the only element in the marketing mix that produces revenue. All other elements represent cost, and price is also one of the most flexible marketing mix element. Unlike product features and channel commitment, prices can be changed quickly. Okay, so at the same time, pricing is the number one problem facing many marketing executives, and many companies do not handle pricing well. Some managers view pricing as a big headache, preferring instead to focus on other marketing mix elements. So in this figure, 10.1 is the represent of the how the price that affect up to the company. Okay, next we move to major pricing strategies. Okay, first we'll explore the definition of customer value based pricing. So, customer value based pricing is setting price based on the buyer's perception of value rather than on the seller cost. So, the figure 10.2 is the compares value based pricing with cost based pricing, as you can see here. So, values-based pricing reserve this project. This company first assesses customer need and value perception. It then sets its target price based on the customer perception of value. The targeted value and price decision about what cost can be incurred and the resulting product design. As a result, pricing begins with analyzing consumer need and value perception, and the price is set to match perceived value. And here is the formula of profit. Profit that unit price minus cost of goods sold together multiple unit sales volume. And here is the other three pricing. First, a good value pricing. It is offering just the right combination of quality and good service at a fair. Next, a value added pricing. It's attaching value added features and services to a differentiate a company's offer and charging higher prices. Finally, a cost-based pricing. So it is setting prices based on the cost of producing, distributing, and selling the product plus a fair rate of return for effort and risk. And here are three types of cost. First is the fixed cost, or we can also say overhead. It is the cost that do not vary with production or sales level. Second is variable cost. It is cost that vary directly with the level of production. Finally is total cost. It is the sum of the fixed and variable cost for any given level of production. Okay, next we'll move to cost at different levels of production. As you can see here, there are two figures, A and B. So I will discuss about the figure A first. For the figure A, it shows the typical short-run average cost curve, or we can say that SRAC. It shows that the cost per tablet is high. I will example if at the Lenovo. So if Lenovo's factory produces only a few per day. Potash production moved up to 1,000 tablets per day. The average cost per unit decreases. This is because fixed costs are spread over more units, with each other bearing a smaller share of the fixed cost. Okay, next for the figure B, it shows that a 3,000 daily production plan is the best size to build if demand is strong enough to support this level of production. Okay, next we'll move to cost as a function of production experience. So, first we move to the definition of experience curve, or we can also say that learning curve. It is the graph in the average per unit production cost that comes with accumulated production experience. So here the figure 10.4, this is the average cost of producing the first 100,000 tablets is $10 per tablet. When the company has produced the first 2,000 tablets, the average cost has fallen to 8.5 after its accumulated production experience doubled again to 4,000. The average cost is $7. So the drop in the average cost with accumulated production experience is called the experience curve or the learning curve. Okay, next we'll move to cost plus pricing. So, cost plus pricing, or we can also say that markup pricing. It is adding a standard markup to the cost of the product. So, what are the benefits? The benefit is that seller can certain about the cost. Price competition is minimized. Buyer feel it is fair. So what is the disadvantages? So it is ignore demand and competitor prices. So here is the to illustrate market pricing. There is a example for it. Okay, next I will talk about the break-even pricing. We can also say that target return pricing. So it is setting price to break even on the cost of making and marketing a product or setting price to make a target return. So here is the figure to show that it shows a break even chart for the toaster manufacturer discussed the fixed cost at $300,000 regardless of sales volume. Variable costs are added. Fixed cost to form total cost, which rise with volume. The total revenue curve starts at zero. As you can see, is the blue one and rises with each unit sold. The slope of the total revenue curve reflects the price at $20 per unit. And so this is the table of the example of break-even volumes and profit at different prices. Okay, last I will talk about the competition-based pricing. Competition-based pricing is setting prices based on competitor strategy, prices, cost, and market offerings.
So let's move to the third questions. Identify and define the other important external and internal factors affecting a firm pricing decisions. While other internal and external considerations affecting price decisions are divided into two parts. One is internal factors and two is external factors. For internal factors affecting pricing include a company's overall marketing strategies, objectives, and marketing mix as well as other organizational considerations. For external factors is include the nature of the market and demand and other environment factors. Moreover, for the overall marketing strategy of the ticketing mix, we will explain it more clearly. This price is only one element of the company broader marketing strategies, avoiding government interventions, temporarily reducing price to create brand excitement, or we can boosting sales too. So for more easy, I will explain clearly. So to create a successful and integrated marketing mix program, price decisions must be aligned with product design, distribution, and promotion decisions. Beside that, pricing is crucial for a company to achieve objectives at various levels, including attracting new customers, retaining existing ones, preventing competitions, stabilizing the marketing, maintaining loyalty. So in this last line, we have the bonus, other external factors, as the company must consider several other factors in its external environment when setting price. Is consider the impact on reseller. So it says price that give a reseller a follow and create their support and help effectively. Short-term sales, market share, and profit goal may need to be balanced with broader societal.
Thank you so much for your attention and see you next time. If you have any questions, you can email me or ask any members in my group.